Welcome to my channel. How to set up Arris G54 parental controls and network security. 1. Access the router dashboard. Open your web browser and enter 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Log in using your admin username and password found on the router's label. 2. Update firmware. Go to Administration, Firmware Update. Check for the latest firmware and install it. Updated firmware ensures new security patches and stable parental control functions. 3. Open the Security or Parental Control section. Once logged in, navigate to Advanced Settings, Security or Parental Controls. This is where you'll configure access restrictions, schedules, and content filters. 4. Enable parental controls. Turn on parental controls from the main settings menu. If prompted, set up a management account through the Arris Surfboard Central app to control settings remotely. 5. Create user profiles. Set up individual user or device profiles for each family member. Assign each profile to a specific device, such as phones, tablets, or laptops. 6. Set time schedules. In each profile, configure active hours for internet access. You can block usage during study hours, late nights, or specific days as needed. 7. Filter content categories. Choose content filtering options such as safe search, social media, streaming, or adult content restrictions. Select the level of filtering that suits each profile. 8. Block specific websites or apps. Use the custom filter section to manually block particular URLs or applications. Enter the website address or keyword and save the settings. 9. Enable activity reports. Turn on activity logs or usage reports to monitor browsing behavior. Review these periodically to ensure filters and time limits are working correctly. 10. Strengthen wireless security. Go to Wireless Security Settings and enable WPA3 encryption. Change the default Wi-Fi password and ensure it's unique and strong. 11. Disable remote management. Under Advanced, Remote Access, turn off remote administration unless you specifically use it. This reduces exposure to external threats. 12. Save and reboot. After applying all settings, click Save or Apply, then reboot the router. This ensures your parental controls and security configurations are fully active. 13. Test restrictions. Use a connected device to verify that blocked websites, time limits, and filters are functioning as expected. Make adjustments as needed from the dashboard or the Arris Surfboard app. Thanks for watching.